Ever feel like you're drowning in fashion choices or wondering what groundbreaking tech is actually changing the game? On Future Thread, we're diving into the innovations defining tomorrow's style and luxury. This week, we'll examine how Free Fashion Store is changing retail, analyze Bhumi's inclusive vision, and explore the incredible intersection of art and tech with a 3D printed fried egg from a real egg. Plus, we'll see why handcraft fashion is making a major comeback and investigate how Sojo's delivery repair service is revolutionizing clothing longevity. Let's get started. Stay with us for all these future-forward insights. Ever felt the weight of fast fashion guilt, desperately seeking a way to embrace sustainable style without sacrificing your discerning taste or budget? A revolutionary new retail model recently challenged the entire industry by proving that premium fashion doesn't have to come at a price. The Free Fashion Store opened in Utrecht, offering a circular model for secondhand clothing. It utilized special labels on each item, revealing the environmental cost of its original production to raise awareness. Shoppers were limited to 3 free items a day, creating a sustainable and community-focused shopping experience. This initiative demonstrated how data-driven fashion, in this case, environmental impact data, could be integrated into a retail model to promote sustainable consumption and behavioral change. Have you ever felt frustrated by a fashion industry that treated curves as an afterthought, forcing you to choose between ill-fitting fast fashion and non-existent luxury options? A visionary new luxury haute couture brand recently appeared, founded to prove that stunning, high-end style could and should celebrate every body. Bhumi Clothing was founded with a mission to create sustainable and ethical textiles. The company's products were made exclusively from GOTS-certified organic cotton, which avoided harmful chemicals. Bhumi's commitment to transparency was highlighted through their seed-to-shelf process, which tracked the entire product journey. This business model underscored how supply chain transparency and third-party certifications, enabled by digital tracking, became a crucial part of fashion technology for sustainable brands. We had all grown tired of the standard, predictable ways of preparing food. The culinary world was ripe for an innovation that would allow for true personalization and creative expression on a plate. A custom 3D bioprinter was created to successfully print a fried egg using a real egg as the printing material. The creator overcame significant challenges, including nozzle clogging and inconsistent material flow. The method involved a timed extrusion of the egg white followed by the yolk, allowing for partial coagulation. This pioneering use of a bioprinter for food showcased how advancements in 3D printing could be adapted for fashion technology, enabling custom, on-demand garments from sustainable materials. We had all grown tired of the endless cycle of e-waste and the feeling that our gadgets lacked a personal story. The world of consumer electronics was ripe for a change. The DIYR.dev platform championed a do-it-yourself revolution by providing instructions for building and personalizing social electronics. The platform celebrated creativity and resourcefulness, aiming to counter planned obsolescence and reduce e-waste. They fostered a deeper connection between users and the objects they built, prioritizing emotional value over economic worth. This movement highlighted fashion technology's potential for decentralized, on-demand production and customization, where users could create and repair their own high-tech wearables and smart garments. We had all grown tired of the effort it took to maintain a luxurious wardrobe. The time-consuming process of taking clothes to a tailor felt outdated and disconnected from our modern, on-demand lifestyle. Sojo launched a text-driven platform to simplify clothing alterations and repairs, which was often called the Deliveroo of fashion repairs. The service connected users with local tailors and seamstresses via an app, providing a convenient door-to-door collection and delivery service. This model promoted a more sustainable, circular economy in fashion by extending the life of garments and reducing textile waste. Sojo's digital platform demonstrated how technology and a service-based model could make sustainability accessible to the masses, paving the way for future platforms that use AI for fit analysis or AR for virtual tailoring consultations. Here are the week's top news. If you want to get more fashion tech news items of the week, check out our new podcast, 360 Fashion, or go to 360fashion.net/podcast or search for it on your favorite podcast platform. Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss our latest episode. Let's get connected for our latest news and updates. Follow us on social media.